Hi there. This is a little preview of what I've been working on in my spare time. It's a Warhammer 40k Land Raider. It's an old one, but it's got a few little special features. We put some lights and sounds on it, and we decided to put the guts of one of our new robot models inside. Yep, we have a remote controlled Land Raider. Not just that, we have a remote controlled Land Raider with first person drive. This is the interface of a new architecture that Robots Everywhere is working on for a web based, very small camera controlled drone. Currently, they're clocking in at about 4 square inches of floor footprint. So we put one inside a Land Raider. It even fit with room for a speaker. We hope you like this preview, and we hope you like the finished Land Raider once I get it all painted up. See you in a couple of weeks when I get that done.